So today we grilled some chicken, grilled some peppers, cooked up some potatoes, made some fresh bread, and we made ourselves an awesome Sunday dinner. First thing we're gonna do is give our chicken a little brine. We're gonna do it with just some ordinary kosher salt. The bird is done being brined. We're gonna leave it overnight and we're gonna grill it up tomorrow. We got some bread going for tomorrow too. If you guys want to see how I made that, leave that down in the comments below. The bird was brining overnight. We're gonna give it a quick rinse. Right, I'm gonna get the bird a little pat down right now. Dry him off a little. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our little poultry blend here. That's gonna go into our butter and some garlic. Garlic in your blend is chopped pretty good. Now we're just gonna add it to our butter. Gloves on for this one. Just give it a nice mix. Yay, looks yummy. Now it's time to coat our chicken in our butter mixture. Even that little special area in there. A little birdie is coated and ready for the grill. Chicken's going on. That is looking awesome at the moment. We're gonna take that butter that we slathered all over that chicken and we're gonna melt it down. And then we're gonna coat our chicken in that as it's cooking. Butter's melted. I'm gonna throw on some peppers. Chicken and pepper are done. Come look. Nice. Peppers. Chicken. Juices. We're gonna cut ourselves up some potatoes to go with those peppers. Not looking for anything special, just cube them up. Our supersized potato is now cut up. I only decided to do one because, yeah, that's enough potatoes. Let's go cut up some peppers. All right, we're gonna cut up our red peppers now. Peppers, finito. Let's make some potatoes. Time to cook our potatoes. We're gonna coat the pan with our multi-purpose butter that we've been using. Butter's warmed up. Throw in our potatoes. Give it a little salt. Our potatoes smell amazing. It's about cooked. I'm gonna add in our peppers. Give those a little toss. And you just want to warm them up a little bit with the potatoes. I'm going to try peppers and potatoes. Potatoes are like perfectly seasoned with that butter and all the herbs in there. And then the fire roasted on the peppers. Something special. Fresh bread. Give me a thumbs up, or you can leave a comment. Let me know if you want to know how I make the bread. Let's cut into our chicken. Let's see what we got. Very juicy. Yeah. You can't tell that's tender and juicy. Can we just rip it apart? Yeah. Tell me that's not awesome. Make ourselves a little chicken sandwich with the fresh bread. Crispy, chewy, awesome. If you guys like my video here, my chicken Sunday dinner, I guess we can call it. like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, see ya.